First, hello everyone, and thank you for watching my video. I'm Yogi's Electronics. In this video, we have an Xbox One S that won't turn on. I'll look for the defect and I try to fix it. Are you ready? Then let's get started. When you open the bottom cover, you have to use the tool on this point to open the housing. As you can see, it takes you a lot of time to disassemble the part. If you work fast, you can break off a few pins. And that would be pretty bad. I always recommend you, if you have such a problem, that you test the hardware first. That means you first take out the hard disk, and then you try to start the device. Such errors happen very common when hardware is defective. Therefore, it is best to test the hard drive, the drive, and finally the power supply. If everything is okay, then the issue is on the main board. Now I will test the power supply. As you can see, the power supply is also okay. That means that the defect is on the main board. Now I will check the main board for visible broken components. Since I can't see any visible defects in this area, I have to remove the main board completely. I've measured the entire board and haven't found a short circuit anywhere. Which, to be honest, is very weird. But after I connected the power supply, I discovered the error without a multimeter. I will now check the main board for short circuits. Let's see if we find the error. I've measured the entire board and haven't found a short circuit anywhere. Which, to be honest, is very weird. But after I connected the power supply, I discovered the error without a multimeter. And what do you mean, where was the defect? I'll show you. As soon as I connected the power supply, I checked the board with a thermal camera and found the error immediately. The problem is the south bridge, which is defective. I'm going to mask everything carefully with polyamide tape, because we have to work with great heat. And so we protect the other component very well. Since we have to work with very high heat, I absolutely need the flux. I have set my rework station to 430 degrees. And we have to be quick. If we keep the heat on the board for too long, other components will break. So prepare everything thoroughly. Since the chip is big, it needs a lot of heat to remove it. In this section you have to work thoroughly and cleanly, so that at the end the new chip sits correctly when I resolder it. I have to replace the old solder with the fresh one. And finally free the pads from new solder so that they are nice and clean and flat. So that afterwards the new chip sits correctly. Now that everything is nice and shiny, I'll clean it well with isopropyl alcohol. And then we can solder the new chip. The new chip is back in place. I took out this video sequence because my camera was out of focus, and you didn't see anything. Honestly, the process is the same. As soon as the chip moves freely, everything is okay, and you can switch off the rework station. I briefly check whether everything is in its place and whether the chip is soldered well. I will now build everything together, and then we will test the device on the TV to see if it works. Thank you for watching my video. Take care and stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And now we will test the device on the TV. As you can see, the console is working again.